I'm paying for these bullets you gon' get for free.
Another day, another 240. This is the second one out here we're about to fix. You guys probably remember this is Luis's. How long have you haven't had it for?
Half a year plus.
Yeah, he hasn't had it. He hasn't drove it in a while. I'm gonna show you the damage. It's pretty bad. We're gonna see if we could try to fix it.
It was worse. I changed the subframe already and the lower control arm.
Yeah.
That was bad.
And the diff is hella bad. I'm about to show you right now. Let's go see the damage. These bolts should be like this, man. Look at that. The fuck?
Hey, it still holds.
This fool is this low and this static.
I'm not slow.
That's crazy, man. This thing welded shut. You don't even need fucking sealant or nothing. Oh, this is the new one. This is where it fucked up. That's where it cracked, the lower control arm on both sides. And he already replaced the bushings up here. Those are fine, but the ones right there are bad. Oh my gosh, man, I don't know what we're gonna do. And then it's crooked. It's not even centered. We'll do this one first. What I plan to do, just weld a steel plate or something, drill a hole in it, because there's the bushing is too thick. The nut won't even screw on that. There's a bit of threads, so we're just gonna pretty much solid mount this. So that's the plan. Look at this fool. Static. You guys don't know shit about nothing.
Hella man.
Look at that toe hook. What the? Everybody's down here? Sleepover. This is the factory little washer thing. That works. We just weld that shit all the way around. Should be solid. What we have to fucking do. We gotta cut this rubber bushing a little bit because that bolt is bent on the driver's side, and we need to cut the sleeve on the driver's side so we could weld in a plate for the bolt. Look what we have to do. Static club. Hell yeah. What the? This fool? What the? This guy? He's like, you're supposed to win, you fucker. Oh my god. And yep. All right, let's install these bitches. Hopefully that's all we need. That bolt's so crooked, we gotta cut this washer. So we can weld it onto the subframe. Looks like a fucking keyhole. Sick ass. All right, guys, today is welding day. Super hyped. Haven't used this welder in a while. Let's get this shit fixed. Alright, got the bracket all welded up. This is gonna go here. Since you know the bolt is hella crooked, we're gonna fucking fab something like this up. It's gonna go like this, and then that's gonna be right here. I'm gonna tighten the nut hella tight so this is nice and flush, and then just gonna weld all the way around here, and pretty much this replaces that bushing. Crazy, look, half the threads are gone. Fuck, let's get this shit done. He's grinding the other side. Yeah, I'm tack welding it because the bushing, the polyurethane, I don't want it to like catch on fire, or I don't want to inhale that shit, so I'm just going little by little. Welder guy?
Yeah.
Damn, he's about to try it?
No, I've been certified for like a couple years now.
Hey, his dad's a welder, so he came out the womb a welder.
What the?
My dad's a welder, so I'm a welder too.
Okay.
It runs in the family.
Okay, we about to see your dimes right now.
Let me grab the gloves.
We doing the other side now. Almost done though.
These are huge, bro.
It's looking good. It's working out, so it's gonna be sick. All right, these about to weld. Go for it.
Oh! What the fuck?
What happened?
Hella bright.
Yeah, but you're supposed to hold it and touch it right at it. Go for it.
3, 2, 1. Oh!
You got it, bro.
Easy.
Yeah. So if you hold it for like a second, then it'll just give
I
I
think it just burned it.
a nice build.
It made a hole actually.
Yeah, but you could just hold it a little bit, and it'll build material, and then it'll make a legit little tack.
Oh!
Savage guy.
Hella sick.
You could do like 2 more before it starts melting the rubber. Do one here.
Yeah.
And then one like right like an inch from it. Ganger. Okay.
I don't know what I'm welding.
He said, I don't know what I'm welding.
I can't see shit.
It's all good. Damn. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
I see
It's
you.
pretty much done.
I see. What the? One tag. There it is.
Watch. No, cut it, and then it'll be finished. Till,
Yeah.
when you finish the rest.
Yeah. He's putting on his jacket so he doesn't burn because his neck is all fucked up and now he has a hickey.
Do I?
Do I? Hickey weld. You lay some dimes. Okay, I see you.
Actually?
He did it. Yeah. This was about to weld D1 under there. Revenge for his quarter panels that Luis
Have fun
fucked up.
trying. Hey, you gave me the 100%. Go.
Oh.
So,
Give me the 100% to go now.
no, it's different.
In today's video and finding out what's in Luis's trunk,
Wait,
look
look.
how bad that shit is, dude.
5% visible light transmission.
What else is in here?
Should we go tint the fucking transmission right
Dude, let's do it.
now? Alright.
What the whole fucking head?
Bro, there's a head. My man's got 2 subs,
Dude.
an open bag of M&Ms. We got tie rods, GK Tech tie rods.
Okay, okay. Hey, let me have those.
Yeah, what the hell? You're hella
My traction
holding
arms in
on
the
to
rear.
Hella O'Reilly's lug nuts. Bro, my chair been in here the whole time.
You have a
240SX.
manual?
Manual.
This guy. It's, dude, we could fix Dimitri's car like that.
Let's see why Luis's subframe broke.
Imagine just says static. Damn, these fools still working? I got done with the welds. They're good. I'll show you guys later. But imagine. I know, it's all dark back there. Dude, check this out. A fucking B-knuckle, man. Dude, a fucking glitter. Sick ass. Hella angle guy.
Hey, look, this PBM arm matches my rust.
Dude, PBM B-knuckle PBM traction arm. And an extended lower control arm. So sick. Dude, this guy's gonna look so sick drifting. This food just installed the axe. Look at this food. Put it in work. 2 brand new Maxima tie rods. Fatty hookup from Aimless,
I
right?
wanna drive it. Yeah, fucking
Yeah.
shout out to John from Aimless, bro.
Hey, comment below. The video's gonna come out after Halloween, but what should we be?
You're stupid. You're a dummy, bro. Hey, what
You'll
should
find
we
out
be?
what we'll be.
He said this will come out probably after Halloween, but what should we be? Then we can look back at it and be like,
Oh.
we should have been that.
I know, yeah, you're right.
Next year.
Bro, he's about to try the angle right now. Cheese! Dude, that's pretty good.
That's my angle.
That's pretty good, bro.
Okay,
Wait.
Damn. You approve or what?
Yeah, hell yeah. Dummies approved.
Let me see. Cheese!
Dummy certified.
Bro, imagine this on a corner. God damn, that's pretty good. Good shit, bro. Good shit, bro. Look how good that looks.
Let me see the angle.
Hold on, not yet.
Give me that. Oh my god.
Now you just gotta adjust the toe a little
Yeah,
bit.
now you just gotta get an angle kit for the rear.
Yeah.
Super high gears.
Woo! Fuck!
It's been like 9 years.
Dude! Hell yeah!
That clutch, man, it was like pushing on my shirt.
Hell yeah! Good shit, bro.
Let's fucking
Good
go,
shit, bro. Hell yeah. Damn, dude, this interior is so sick. What do you think about that angle, Mike?
Yo, that's fucking animal style angle right there.
These fools are about to go on the ride along. Sheesh.
We're done for.
Yeah, here you go.
No sketchy shit, just to drive.
You sure?
Yeah. His seat's not bolted in.
This fool's driving with no red light.
I just wanted to feel the angle too.
Yeah.
Cause look at this.
Oh hell yeah. Look at that. This fool's able to make a U-turn like nothing.
Bro, look at that shit. What the? Hold on.
Look at that.
Hey, look, I don't even need an e-brake. I just go to full lock and I can get out.
Flexer guy.
How do you like it? Good? Do you want to feel it? We'll just go over here and show you how tight. I mean, I'm pretty sure you can just tie that down.
This fool's able to.
Yeah, no.
This-
Yeah, mine's the same angle. I could do a full U-turn right here. Don't think you can't drift with angle. I drifted a whole year and learned with no angle.
Yeah, I learned how to.
Hey, he's right.
I learned with no angle.
With the single cam.
He's right.
You know?
I'm still on stock angle right now. And I'd be fucking.
We gotta go drifting.
I'd be
before you put on some
J-turning.
angle, bro.
I want to go hit an event, but I gotta change my tie rods, bro.
Yeah.
My shit's blown.
You don't have any bushings on there?
Yeah. No.
No.
Yeah.
Okay, because since I have
Stock.
solid,
Yeah.
since I have solid bushings, it's like.
All right, let's go party.
That's for sure.
We out.